Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to make braised pig feet in Chinese style. We will add around 1.5 cups of braising liquid, including the mushroom water and then the soybean fat, and gently coat everything with the braising liquid. Close the lid and let everything simmer for 30 minutes over medium-low heat. To serve the dish, we will use a smaller Chinese clay pot. Remember, when you warm up the clay pot, put some water and then put the pot over the stove. Also, to thicken the stew, we have to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water and mix them well.